So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new document. So we're going to create new, okay? Hit print, and then you can click on this little arrow and switch it so it's landscape. I already have it switched. I'm going to click on that letter, and now here's my canvas. This area right here, we're going to work in that canvas. Let's just run through the program a little bit. If you mess up, you can hit the back arrow, okay? Over here is your layer palette. The way layer palette works is as you draw, you'll notice it puts it on a layer, okay? You could add a new layer and then work on top of that, okay? If you have something above, okay, it's going to be closer to us. If you have something below in the layer palette, it's going to be further away. So for example, if I have a shape, I'll make a different color. Okay, this layer is above my lines, so this shape is hiding the lines, okay? But what I could do is I could click this little eyeball and it disappears the layer, okay? Just hides it for a little bit. I'm going to delete these layers. Over here is your toolbar, okay? We're gonna be using the brush tool, and we wanna use, if we wanna change the color, we can do that. I'm gonna use black for right now. You could change the opacity of that brush, and you can change the size. Oops, you can change the size of that brush. Okay. Okay, so let's add in an image layer, okay? And we're gonna use that to help us create a contour line drawing of that image we found online. So I'm gonna click the little image icon and go to Photos. And I found this baseball mitt, and I'm just gonna make it nice and large. And you notice it's on a new layer. I'm gonna hit done, okay? And to help me see my line drawing, I could actually change the opacity of this image, so I could bring it down. So now it'll be a little bit easier to see my line work on top of this image. I'm gonna create a new layer, okay? And I'm just gonna zoom in, and I'm going to use this image to help me redraw this. Okay, and I'm going to try to find all the lines. Oops, if I make a mistake, I could go back with the eraser tool. Zoom in. Oops. And I'm going to recreate all the lines that I see. When I'm all done, what I could do is I can hide my image, and now I'm just left with my drawing. So go ahead and try this technique to create one drawing of an image you find online.